In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in Xero. Managing expenses can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're not sure how to navigate through your accounting software. Fortunately, Xero makes this process straightforward, allowing you to keep a tight rein on your financial outgoings. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger enterprise, tracking your expenses accurately is crucial for understanding your financial health. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to head over to Xero. On your web browser, type in the Xero website address and press enter. This will take you to the home page of Xero, where you can begin the process of managing your expenses. Once you're on the Xero homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button. Click on it. This is your entrance into your financial world, where all your financial data lives. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure you enter these details correctly to avoid any access issues. Remember, keeping your password secure and unique is key to protecting your financial information. Following the entry of your login details, click on the login button. This will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Xero dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll find everything you need to manage your business finances efficiently. Once logged in, it's time to navigate to the part of Xero where expenses are managed. To do this, go to the Business section. You might find this tab on the top navigation bar of your dashboard. This section houses various financial tools and options, but today we're focusing on expenses. Within the Business section, look for the option labelled Expense Claims. Click on this to move forward. This section is dedicated to managing all aspects of expenses from submission to approval. Now for the task at hand, adding a new expense. Find and click on the New Expense button. This action will open up a new page, allowing you to record a new expense. But before we proceed further, let's take a moment here. It's important to gather all the information about the expense you intend to record. This could be receipts, invoices, or just notes on what the expense was for. Being organised will make this process smoother. On reaching the new expense page, you'll notice an option to create an expense claim. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you will input the details of your expense. These details include the date the expense was incurred, the amount, the nature of the expense, and any notes or descriptions that might be helpful. With all your expense details in front of you, start filling in the information into the respective fields. Be as accurate as possible, as this information is crucial for your financial records. If you have a digital copy of a receipt or invoice, Xero allows you to attach it here. This step is highly recommended as it substantiates your expense claim and can be helpful during audits. Finally, after you've entered all necessary details, it's time to submit your expense for approval. You'll see two options at this stage: submit and approve. If you're authorized to approve expenses within your organization, you can proceed with the approve option. If not, click on submit and your expense claim will be sent to the relevant person or department for approval. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through adding an expense in Xero. It might seem like several steps at first glance, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's a straightforward process that becomes second nature. A few additional tips to keep in mind: regularly updating your expenses in Xero helps maintain an accurate financial picture of your business. It prevents the tedious task of backlogging expenses and ensures that you're always prepared for financial planning and reporting. Remember, managing finances efficiently is a crucial part of running a successful business or personal financial management. And with tools like Xero, you have everything you need at your fingertips to stay on top of your expenses. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add expenses in Xero. Keep practicing, stay organized, and before you know it, managing your business finances will be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back in for more helpful guides on navigating Xero and other financial tools.